Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to discuss how you can download your projects to a different formats like MP4, JPEG, PNG format, and how you can customize these formats and the quality and size of it. So let's get started, but before that, if this is the first video you're watching on our channel and you want to see the complete playlist, you can check out the playlist link in the description. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Now, after completing some of the designs, let's also discuss the download options that we have. For example, I've created this YouTube thumbnail, and now if I want to animate that, I'll click on animation and we can add different animations like this, right? So you can either apply to all pages or leave it to the current page only. Now, if we go to the share option, we have the area of download options here. So we have multiple file types to choose from. JPEG, as you all know, that it will be saved as a picture. But the problem with this format is you cannot increase the size or quality of it. It is by default 1280 by 720 pixels. So unless and until you are using the Pro version, only then you can edit that. So let me open the Pro version. And like I told you earlier, that you can use educational version for that as well. So I'll open this design and let's add animation to this design. Let's go to animate and click on any animation just for practice. And I'll click on share and click on download. And we have the MP4 by default suggested because it will then play it as the animation or a video. So if we change now to JPEG format, we can increase the size or quality of it. So the larger the size and the quality, the highest possible quality you can achieve, that can even print on like billboards. So you know that what an enormous size it is to print on a billboard. So if you're using Canva professionally for creating the designs for your clients, you must have the Pro version so that you can achieve the maximum size possible. It will not pixelate the image even if you print it to any size. And quality, you can set it to larger. Obviously, it will increase the image size. It will directly depend on the size, but then you have to print it on a bigger frame. So that's the option that you can use. And same goes for the PNG format. You can also download it in transparent background. So you don't have to convert it here. It will be automatically converted and downloaded as a transparent background image. So that is PNG used for. And you can also download the highest quality image for the lower quality. For example, if you wanna just post a Facebook post, you can automatically compress a larger file into the smaller size. Obviously, it will affect some quality, but it is good enough to post on your social media websites. Similar goes for PDF standard. If you have a complete catalog of the products, you can save the complete project as PDF standard. And right now I only have one page, right? So the benefit of PDF is if I, let's say, add a new page as well, and this is regarding this online courses. So just imagine that this is some article or some ebook or product catalog. And now if I want to download it, the ideal download format would be PDF standard. In all of the cases, whether you are downloading the JPEG or PNG or PDF standard, you always receive the option to select the pages. If I only want to download one page, that's fine. You can uncheck all and choose the current page option. Right now I can't see the current page option. You can, in this case, you can choose either page 1 or page 2. Most probably because I'm not on a specified page. Let's say this one, now I'm on one single page. So let's see what options does it give now. No, in PDF there is no option of current page. So we can download these two together. So let's see how it will download. It will create a single document or a zip file for two PDF documents separate. Let's see. So we can see that it's already downloading in a single file, and which is approximately of 2.6 MB. Let this one complete and let's open it now. You can see this PDF created like this. But let's say if I wanna download PNG files, here we will get the option of these two pages. But now if I download it here, because they are images, it will be downloaded as a zip file which contains two separate images. So now you can see that it is being downloaded as a zip file. I'll click on show in folder and it is downloaded like this. So let's extract this. And as I told you that it is separate two images, obviously it is a image format, so it will download all of that as a zip file. So if you are creating the multiple designs on a single project, then you must choose the option from here, which is very convenient actually. In JPEG you have the option to select the current page. I don't know why it's not showing here right now. Let's add more pages, and now let's try. We have 4 pages now. So I'll click on download and hopefully it will show this current page option. Yeah. So now we can see the current page option. Not only on the first page, on whatever page we are, we don't need to read the page number or find out the page number here. We can directly click on share, download, JPEG, and we will specify the current page. So it has automatically identified it's on page 3. We will select that and then we can download it. So this is how the single image can be downloaded. And if you see, it's only of 370 KB, but if I open this, it is of pretty nice quality. So these lower size images can easily be used as post, because obviously no one will be zooming out that much, so you can easily use that. The other one we have is the MP4 format. This is best for animation purpose. For example, we have added some animations and now we wanna add it in a video. So that's perfect for it. I'll go to download and click on the MP4 video, and similar page 3 current page is showing here. So we can reduce the quality. Okay, original quality, it's this one. So let's see. So now it's downloaded. It will be played as an MP4 like this with animation. And what other options we have? Let's see. GIF image. If you want to download it as a picture, but the GIF images, as you already know, GIF images moves, like animation will be shown here. So let's try this. GIF images are usually a little larger in size. So when we open that, you can see that animation is still playing in this GIF images. Not only it's playing, it is repeatedly showing this image like this. So that's also good for the promotion purposes, especially the things which are moving a kind of video format, which looks like a video or animation, is more eye-catching for the advertisement or marketing purpose. So these are some of the download formats that you can use in Canva, and this is how you can make some customizations to it, provided that you have the pro or the educational version. So just practice these different formats by yourself, and it's very important to see how the particular part of the project is downloaded and how the complete projects will be downloaded and which format is suitable for your requirement. So just practice on that, and then we will move to the next video.